Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fruit rolls. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe fruit, like berries or mangoes, ensuring it's fresh and sweet. Wash your fruit thoroughly, then chop it into smaller pieces. Next, blend the fruit until it becomes a completely smooth puree. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your homemade fruit rolls. Make sure there are no lumps remaining. After pureeing, taste your fruit mixture. If it needs more sweetness, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or sugar, then blend again. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Carefully pour the fruit puree onto the prepared sheet. Spread it out evenly using a spatula, aiming for a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. This thin layer ensures even drying. Now it's time to dry your fruit rolls. Place the baking sheet in an oven preheated to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to dehydrate for approximately 3 to 6 hours. The exact time depends on your fruit's water content and your oven. The fruit leather is done when it feels dry to the touch, is no longer sticky, but remains flexible. Once ready, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on the baking sheet. Once fully cooled, carefully peel the fruit leather from the parchment paper. Use kitchen shears or a pizza cutter to cut it into strips, about 1 inch wide. Roll each strip tightly in a fresh piece of parchment paper to prevent sticking and keep it fresh. Store your homemade fruit rolls in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for longer. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book on money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.